Hi guys, Carly here with Recreational Power Sports, here to take you through this new unit that we have. So behind me here we've got a pre-owned 2022 Forest River Continental Cargo 7x14 enclosed trailer. So starting out at the front here, you can see that we have your hitch as well as your tongue jack all installed, ready to go. As we go along the outside, you can see that it's a really nice black color. We do have a side entry door here, so nice to be able to get in and out. Just have that little bit extra room. It is on a tandem axle trailer, so lots of being able to carry. Back here, we've got your ramp for loading and unloading. So comes down really nice, very easy. Lots of room for stuff, whatever you're going to be storing, quad sleds, hauling anything. So lots of room on that. And it does go back up very easy. And you do have locks on either side to be able to close it. And they do lock up as well, so you can lock this trailer up. As we come along this side, you can see there's really no damages, no nicks, no scuffing, anything. Again, tandem axle trailer. So this guy is ready to go. All the details on this trailer will be on the website. So if you have any questions, check us out at recreationalpowersports.com or come on down to the dealer. We'd love to show you this unit.